Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
number 26. Solve for the equation of the tangent. Tangent yung bibiling ha. Tangent line to the curve given at x is equal to -2. Diba? At x is equal to -2. So, first, we need to solve for the slope. You have there the given curve is x squared minus xy plus 2y minus 2. This is equal to 0. Diba? We will solve for the value of the slope. Slope lang muna ha, at bibiling. Slope. Okay, so in solving for the slope, that aton ginbibilin is actually the y prime or the dy over dx. Okay, so how to do it? Di ba kung implicit nga ni d over dx of x squared minus xy plus 2y minus 2, this is equal to d over dx of 0, which is also 0. Diba? So this will be 2x minus x y prime plus y plus y. Diba? Plus 2y prime minus 0 because the derivative of -2 is 0 and this is equal to 0. Any question? May pakiana? Maray. Sige. This is 2x minus xy prime minus y plus 2y prime. This is equal to 0. Let us isolate y prime on the left side of the equation. So, tanan nga may y prime at the left side of the equation. Xy prime plus 2y prime. This is equal to, ano ba? Magiging positive y minus 2x. Is that right? Hmm. Then, factor out y prime. So, this will be, unahon ko 2, kay positive with 2. 2 minus x. This is equal to y minus 2x. Therefore, okay, kutang ko din eh. Therefore, your y prime, therefore, is equal to y minus 2x all over 2 minus x. Yeah, this is your y. This is your y prime. This is the equation of the slope. Unfortunately, ang given ladida is the value of your x. Takay may da didan imo equation may da y. You still have to solve for the value of y when x is -2. How do you do that? You will use the equation, the original given equation. Okay ha? Okay, let us try to substitute lang yung -2. You have here the y prime is equal to your y is unknown, you don't know the value of your y, minus 2. Yung x mo, it's given here. It says x is equal to -2. You have your -2 all over 2 minus -2. Diba? Di rin mo masosolve it y prime because you don't know the value of y. So you still have to solve for the value of y using the original given function. So ibutang natin dili ha. You have your the x squared minus xy plus 2y minus 2. This is equal to 0. Okay, so how do we do that? Substitute lang the value of your x. When x is equal to -2, what's the value of your y? So this is -2 squared minus -2y plus 2y minus 2. This is equal to 0. You can also use your calculator here. Okay ha, kitaan niyo kung paano yung gagamit yung calculator. You should know how to use your calculator. You have there -2. Butang ko dito ha. You have to include the -2, the negative sign, in raising it to the power of 2. -2 squared minus -2. Okay? Multiplied by y. Okay, multiplied by y plus 2y minus 2. And this is equal to 0. Take note that we are trying to solve for the value of y. You have to tell the calculator that you are trying to solve for the value of y by putting comma, then yung y. Okay? We are to solve for the value of y. Shift solve for y, then you press equal. You have there the value of your y. Your y is -1/2 or -0.5. Your y here is equal to -0.5 or -1/2. Okay? So substitute, this will be y prime. This is equal to 1/2, -1/2, minus, magiging plus na. 2 times 2 is 4 all over 4 also. 2 plus 2, di ba? 2 plus 2 is 4. So, pero any y prime is equal to 1 half plus 4 over 4. This will be, pera, 1 half, negative 1 half plus, this is 8, 8 over 2, di ba? 8 over 2 is still 4, right? This is 4. And this is therefore equal to 7 over 2 over 4. Or this is 7 over 8. Do you agree? Asya na? Any violent reactions? Your y prime is equal to 7 over 8. So now that you have your y prime, your slope, okay, butang ko dili ha, your y prime is actually the slope of the tangent line, and that is equal to positive 7 over 8. Okay? And you already have the value of your point. Okay, and at one point, you have your value for your x, the abscissa, it's here. Given an abscissa, di ba? Adi man, that is negative 2. Putang ko dito point. Negative 2. And your y, or the ordinate, that is 0.5. Negative 1 half. You have there negative 1 half. Okay? Nasusundan ba? We are not yet done. Any question so far? Any question? Waray?
Sir, may question ko.
What's your
Sir,
question?
nga di ang pinakakatikayangan, sir, na wala. Kaya na, sir,
That's
kaya na, sir, like, look, nga di ba, pinakakatikangan good, di ba, nga d over dx, ubos niya nga part, sir, kaya na nasuga din.
where? This one?
No, ubos nga line, second line, ha. So, kaya na naka-parenthesis na din all what happened there. In ko
We
walang derivative.
we are getting the derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to x. So you get the derivative of the left side of the equation, you get the derivative of the right side of the equation.
Sir, how come nga adi yan naka-parenthesis?
Come again?
How come na adi naka-parenthesis siya? Adi ba ya? How come naka-parenthesis?
Ano yan eh?
Second line,
Anhain. Hain ka
second
nga
line.
line.
Second line na
Second line, this one.
No, second.
This one.
Oh,
Kay ano?
ano,
Ito mo pa kay ano?
the,
Kay
the
an.
third line ngayon di ay. Third line di ay. Adi nga
This
2x.
one.
Opo. Kaya na naka-parenthesis na kuan.
Ini.
Oh,
This one. Okay. Because the danger there, if you don't put it inside the parenthesis, bangin kasi diri nimo ma-multiply ang negative ngadtuhan nga di. Di ba? Because kailangan, okay, demand explanation. The derivative of x, okay, not including the negative ha. The negative there is acting as an operation but not a sign of the term. Okay, the derivative of xy, this one, is this one. Okay? So I have to put it inside the parenthesis so that later I would ensure that the whole quantity will be multiplied to the negative one, to the negative sign. Kasi iniman kita daw kunwaray ano, kunwaray parenthesis. Masaring man ito. This is negative, and this is a common mistake among students. This is xy prime. Tapos may ngalimot ka, nag-plus ka dida y derivative of x, which is 1. Diba? Now, kita daw niyo. This quantity, ini. This is not equal to this one. Take note that the negative sign should be multiplied to the derivative of x and y, which includes ini, di ba? Two terms kasi ang derivative ng x, y. Okay? Dili nga nimo butangan in parenthesis, mag-iiba itong imo answer.
Amo nga answer imo
Unless
kay negative xy nga di understood na whatever duha natutunga man niya so bali kinahanglan ang negative ma-distribute gyud nga rin duha.
Unless imubutangan didihin negative, this is negative y. Pareho leton hera. Okay? Para for the sake lang nga diri kita malipat kasi nalilipat itong dili student kung diri nabubutangin grouping symbol. Di ba? Thank you for that question. Any other question before we proceed? We still not yet done with the problem. Nakuha pala natin ang tangent and slope and tangent line and ano the point of tangency. This is the point of tangency. Any other question? Waray. Sige, erase ko ha, kay waray space. Okay, we have the slope and the point of tangency. So, diretso ka na. Point slope form. 1 minus y sub 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. Your y sub 1 is, what's your y sub 1? Negative 1 half. This is equal to your m is 7 over 8. Your x sub 1 is negative 2. Simplify. Oh, kita ah. Out later. Okay, simplify lang natin. This is y plus 1 half. This is equal to 7 over 8x, right? Magiging plus 7 over 8 times 2. Okay, simplify further. This is y plus 1 half. This is equal to 7x over 8 plus 7 over 4. Asya ba? 7 over 4. O, sige. Yung natakbo buhaton, I will multiply, I have to get rid of the denominators here. Unahon ko pinakadako. Okay? I'll multiply both sides of the equation by 8. So this will be 8y plus 8 over 2, that is 4. This is equal to 7x plus 8 over 4 is 2. 2 times 7, that's 14. Okay, so arrange the equation para maging general form here. This is negative 7x plus 8y. This is equal to 14 minus 4. Is this right? So this will be negative 7x plus 8y is equal to 10. Or 7x minus 8y. This is equal to negative 10. This is the answer. Can we still simplify this? Wala naman nera common factor. Ang 7, 8, and 10. Wala na nera common factor. So this is now the simplest. 7x minus 8y is equal to negative 10. Any question? May pakiana?